Hi students, good morning. Today I am going to teach one of the interesting topic in the mathematics. Okay, so we are using this in our day-to-day life also. Okay, so we are using this. Are you understand? So we are counting money also. So means money can be expressed in the form of decimal. What is that? Decimal. See here, 512.50. 512.50 means we can written as rupees 512 and 50 paise and 50 paise. Okay, so what is the lesson name? Decimals. That is the new topic. Okay, so in this topic, first we can express decimal. What is the definition of decimal? Okay, so first we will learn that one. Definition of decimal. Decimal is the fraction number. So in the denominator 10, 100, 1000 and so on. See, so we can express like that. 25 by 10, then 512 by 100, 512 by 100. So like that we can express this decimal. Are you understand? Yes, decimal. It has two parts. One is whole number part. Another one is fractional part. Okay, so the whole number part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal separator. So this decimal separator can be denoted by the decimal point or a dot. So like that we can represent decimal point or dot. Are you understand? So decimal as the whole number and the fractional part separated by a decimal separator. So this decimal separator can be denoted by decimal point or a dot. We are putting dot. Are you understand? So next we move on to how to represent the decimal numbers in the place value system. Okay, so now observe here. 652 minus 25. See, the whole number part is like in the left side of the decimal point. Okay, the fractional part lie on the right side of the decimal point. See, 25 is a fractional form. It is like right side of the decimal point. So this is 652. It is called whole number. 652. It is whole number. It is decimal point. So it is fractional part. So this fractional part can be read as See, 2, 5. Don't read 25. Are you understand? Don't read 25. Read it as 2, 5. 652. As usual, same. The place value of the whole number as usual, same. So write in the Indian place value system. No doubt in that. But only changes in the after decimal point is there no digits. So that place values are changed. So after decimal point, the first digit is there no, that is called tenth. Tenth, not tens. Tenth means like that. See, Tenth. Tenth. Tenth place. Okay, tenth place means 1 over 10. 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Okay, then the decimal point after the second digit is hundredth. 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 Hundredth means 1 by 100. So it is not a 100 place value. 100 place value, it is in the left side of the decimal point. So it is hundredth. You can read it as tenth, hundredth, thousandth. The decimal point after the third digit is thousandth. Thousandth. Are you understand? See, I will show you the example. So imagine yourself, this is a square. It is a square. So a square can be divided into 10 parts. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Square can be divided into 10 parts. Okay, so we are shading only one part. Shading one part. This is. Then it can be written as 1 by 10. We are shading only one part. Out of 10, we are shading only one part. Are you understand? So we can express like that, 1 by 10. Okay. So then after 100 place, observe here, the square can be divided. The square can be divided as 100 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, I will shade only one part. The square can be divided into 100. Divided into 100. Okay. So now shade only one part. Means we can write it as 1 by 100. 100. Similarly, the thousandth also, the square can be divided into 1000. Okay, so we are shading only one part. We can written as 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000. This is thousandth. Thousandth. Are you understand, student? So the left side of the decimal point is called whole number. The right side of the decimal point is called fractional part. Fractional part. So now, how to represent the decimal numbers in the place value system? Observe the place value system. See, place value system. Observe here. Thousand, hundred, ten, ones, decimal point, 10, hundred, thousand, hundred, thousand. See, observe. This is thousandth, thousandth, thousandth. This is hundredth, hundredth. Okay. Then this is tenth. Tenth. This is decimal point. Decimal point. Decimal point. Okay. So then ones, ones, tens, hundreds, hundreds, thousands, thousands. Okay, so now I will give some problems. So represent the numbers 625.736, 8615.512, 512. So represent these place values on these numbers on the place value. How to represent this? Represent yourself. Do you understand what I am explaining? Observe carefully. 8615.512. See, read it as. It is very important. 8601 means 512. Don't read 512 like that. Do you understand? See, 8615. See, 512. First put decimal point. In the right side, decimal point after the first digit, write in the tens place. 10th place, not tens. 10th place. Then 100th place. 100th place. Then 1000th place. 1000th place. Okay. Then before decimal point, the first digit from the right side, 5, write in ones place. Then 1, write in tens place. Then 6, write in 100 place. Then 8, write in 1000 place. See, 8,600, 15.512. 512. Okay, then write the number 6. This is first put a decimal point. decimal point, the first digit 7. After decimal point, the second digit write in 100th place. Then after decimal point, the third digit write in 1000th place. Then before decimal point, the first digit write in ones place. Second write in tens place. Third write in 100 place. See, we can read it as 600, 600 to 625, 625.736. 736. Are you understand study? Yes. So next we move on to conversion of decimals into fraction. Conversion of decimal into fraction. What is writing? Conversion of decimal into fractions. Here, how to convert the given decimal number into fraction? How to convert the given decimal number into fraction? So first I will take one example. Observe here. Convert 3.43. Convert 3.43 into fraction. See, it is a very easy problem. Very easy problem. What is the step first? Remove the decimal point. So imagine yourself. Here decimal point is not there. Okay. So write that number in the numerator, means 343. Just you remove the decimal point and write the number in the numerator. Okay. In the denominator, write 1 first. So now count after decimal point how many digits are there. Count after decimal point how many digits are there. There are 2 digits. Means you put 2 zeros after 1. 2 zeros after 1. Are you understand? So this is the fractional form of 3.43. Fractional form of 3.43. Are you understand? This one? Yes, very easy problem. Mind it that. Okay students. 343 divided by 100. 343 divided by 100. Okay. So one more problem I will take. Observe here. One more problem in that main. Convert 1.035 into fractions. Convert 1.035 into fractions. So now observe, it is also very easy. Okay, remove decimal point here. Remove the decimal point. Okay, and write the whole number in the numerator. Means 1035. Then after, in the denominator, write 1 first. Okay, after decimal point, how many digits are there? Count that. after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits. You understand? After decimal point, how many digits are there? There are 3 digits. So you write 1 after 3 zeros. 1 after 3 zeros. This is the conversion of 1.035 into fractional form. Are you understand, student? Yes. Next we move on to conversion of fraction into decimal form. Conversion of fraction into decimal form. Conversion of fraction into conversion of fraction into decimal. Conversion of fraction into decimal. So in that I will take one example. Observe here. Convert 145 by 100. 145 by 100 equals 100 into decimal. Okay. See, observe this example. 145 by 100. It is in the fractional form. Is it right? It is in the fractional form. It convert into decimal. See, first you write the numerator. See, 145 by 100 in that. So you learned in the fraction lesson. Okay. So this is the numerator. This is the denominator. Here 145 is numerator, 100 is the denominator. You learned in the fraction lesson. Okay. So in numerator, first you write the numerator 145. Okay. Then in the denominator, 1 after, how many zeros are there? Count that. 1 after, there are 2 zeros. 2 zeros. How many zeros? 2 zeros. You can count this number from right side. Count from right side. Put 2 digits after decimal point. So the decimal form of 145 by 100 is 1.45. Okay, 1.45. Write 145 first. Then in the denominator, observe how many zeros are there 1 after. There are 2 zeros. So then count from right side. Put 2 digits after decimal point. So 1.45. Are you understand? See, in one more example is that convert 8 by 1000. Convert 8 by 1000 in decimal form. See, observe this example. Okay. So write first numerator. Then count how many zeros are there in the denominator. 1 after, how many zeros are there? There are 3 zeros. So now count from right side. Put 3 digit after decimal point. Here only 1 digit is there. Only 1 digit is there. So in that situation, you put zeros in the left side first. See, zeros in the left side. Are you understand? put zeros in the left side first. Then after, see in the denominator how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Now count from right side. 1, 2, 3. So put 3 digit after decimal point from right side. See 0.008. 0.008 is the decimal form of 8 by 1000. Decimal form of 8 by 1000. Are you understand? Are you understand, student? Conversion of fraction into decimal and conversion of decimal into fraction. So these are very easy. And see, first you learned fraction lesson clearly. Then after it is very easy to learn decimal lesson. Are you understand, student? Yes, I will take one more example in this. Conversion of fraction into decimal. In that one more example I will take. See, convert 12 by 1000. 12 by 1000. First you write the numerator. First you write the numerator. Okay. See, observe the fraction. In the fraction, how many zeros are there? There are 3 zeros. There are 3 zeros. So you count from the right side. Put decimal point after 3 digits. So not enough digits. So that put zeros in the left side first. Left side first. Yourself. How much? Yourself. Okay. So now observe in that how many zeros are there? There are 3 zeros. Now count from the right side. Count from the right side. See, 1, 2, 3. Put decimal point 3 digit after from the right side. 3 digit after from the right side. So this is the decimal form of 12 by 1000. Decimal form of 12 by 1000. Are you understand? See, I will take one more example. So convert 796 by 10. Convert 796 by 10. So write the numerator first. Write the numerator 796. Write the numerator. See, observe the denominator. In the denominator, how many zeros are there? Only 1 zero. Only 1 zero. You count from the right side. Count from the right side. Put decimal point after 1 digit. See, 1 after, put decimal point. Are you understand? So the decimal form of 796 by 10 is 79.6. 79.6. Here 79 is the whole number, 6 is the fractional. Are you understand, student? So in this lesson, so we have learned the representation of decimals and the place value, okay, and also conversion of decimals into fractions and conversion of fractions into decimal. So these are all we have learned in this class. Okay, students, very easy lesson this is. So please practice well. Okay, thank you, students.